What's up with the skiing team, man? I've been gone for a minute. I'm back though, man. I'm gonna try to get consistent. 2024, I'm gonna try to get consistent. I appreciate y'all supporting me, hitting me up on TikTok, IG, like, man, where the next video? Damn, what's that? Damn. Where your light at? Man, I fucking hit some shit, bro, but car's still looking decent. But yeah, we're just gonna get into this little 5 things I like. It's kind of like a 5 things I like and just a little simple walk around and shit. Nothing too crazy. Alright, the first thing that we're gonna talk about, 5 things I like, you know what I'm saying? Some of them relate to specifically my SC. Some of them are SCs, Lexus, Toyota, period. Because as y'all know, I got a daily IS350, but the first one, reliability. I mean, looking at this car, you won't think it has 220,000 miles, but it does. And it burned a little oil, but it's a trooper, man, especially seeing redline all the time. Solid. I'm gonna show y'all that right now. These things are fucking reliable, bro.
Its powerful technology actively finds
y'all can see that, man.
Qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies
220 on the dash, man, and it's still going. It's solid, bro. This thing runs. I'm gonna hop into number 2. This wing. It's like, nah, I'm playing. That shit is nice though. A lot of people be hating on it, but hey, I got a super, bro. This is a super. This is not a SC. Nah, but for real, number 2 is it's comfortable, spacious, and let me look at the styling. Clean. I mean, I'm 6'4", and I fit in this thing good. Plenty of space. I mean, my shit be reclined as fuck, but I be getting in there. Like, I was thinking about getting a 350Z, a G35 coupe before I got this. Bro, I even thought about getting Miata when I was like hella young, but thank God I didn't. But anyways, G35, 350Zs. There's a couple other coupes that I just could not fucking fit in. Like, not enough room at all. So, oh, 240s. When I got in the 240, bro, I was like a fucking giant in that fucking thing. But this was the car that I went with because, one, I like Lexus, Toyota. It's reliable. Yeah, my mom always had Lexus, so kind of just grew on me. Number 3 is gonna be the fact that this Lexus has a factory manual transmission option. I love that this car is manual. I mean, obviously all car guys want a manual, right? But not most Lexus are manual. It only comes in 2 or 3 of them. So the fact that I was able to get one before the market went crazy is dope. And yeah, fucking prices skyrocketed. I mean, I got this thing for $5,000. $5,000. It had like 180 on it. I think it was 2020. The dude was like, he had a kid and he was like, man, I can't do it. He had a car seat in the back and shit. He was like, I just need something more spacious. So it's dope. Got it for $5 grand. Now they be like 8, 9, 10. You could probably find some for 6, 7, but yep. Stock manual, black interior. Like I said, this is 5 things I like, but it's also a walk around video. So yeah. All right, I think we had number 4. Number 4, this is legendary 2J. Basically saying, oh, look at that sparkle. Hopefully y'all can see that. Basically saying the power capabilities of this car. So right now I am not interested in, damn, where the fuck this shit at?
Take a look at it.
There you go. Basically right now I'm not interested in going boost at all, because like I said, it already burns oil. I don't want to deal with boost leaks, and then the transmission, these W58s are kind of weak, so I don't have to deal with that and swapping and the ECU tuning it when it's a runner right now. Fuck it. But basically, this engine, bro, the 1UZ is nice, don't get me wrong, but the 2J, they're both legendary. I can't even say that, man. They're both legendary, but this one's just gonna give you less issues. SC400 has way more issues. So that's why I ended up, 1, because this one's manual. 2, the 400s have more problems. That's why I ended up going with this. I'm not gonna lie to you though. If my transmission was stronger and can handle 300-400 torque, I will put a fucking 1UZ VVTi in this with the stock manual, and this bitch should be rowdy as fuck. But I don't think it can handle it. I know there's people out there who have done it, the OBD1 non-VVTi 1UZs, but I don't know, man. It's just sketchy. I mean, I guess if this ever blows up one day, we'll fuck with it. We'll see what it do. But right now we're just rocking the 2J. It's definitely underpowered. It definitely can have more power. That's why I kind of put a full exhaust. I will put an intake, but like I don't really do too much, so we're just rocking it like this, NA. But yeah, power capabilities, man. These things have a lot of aftermarket support, and it's not too expensive on the NA side, like just headers, exhaust, shit like that. I can't speak for the turbo shit, but yeah. All right, we're gonna hop into number 5. I don't really have a number 5, to be honest, bro, because I just love this car all around, everything about it. So I'm gonna just start walking around talking about it for real. I mean, like things I like specifically for my SC. This wing. There's some haters. There's some motherfuckers hating on the wing, but I fucking love it. I had a Midnight Indigo Pearl SC, the dark blue, and I always wanted to put a fucking super wing on it, but I never could do it. And I finally pulled it off with this one. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, another thing is, let's go to this side, right? I love this fucking antenna. I be telling y'all, like, stop fucking taking this off, stop deleting that shit. Shit's nice, bro. It literally looks like a fucking space coupe. But yeah, man, I don't really have a fit thing, bro, because like I said, I just overall love this fucking car, everything about it. I like to keep it as factory as possible. I still got the stock radio. I had to take off the stock steering wheel. You got an SC, you know that stock steering wheel, you can't see shit. You cannot see your fucking cluster and nothing. So I took that shit off. I mean, and it looks good, so. Yeah, this was just a quick little walk around talking about it, 5 things I like. It's not as structured as the last one and shit, but you know, I mean, if you're here watching this video, you like SCs, you know these things are fucking great. They're beautiful. They're definitely underrated. They're getting a little more popular, I feel like, but at one point in time, I feel like they're definitely underrated. So I'm gonna just start telling y'all my specs, because I get a lot of questions on like my wheels and shit. So I got 20 by 10 in the rear. Don't even ask me about offset. I don't know all that shit. 20 by 10 in the rear, 275, 30, 20. Then we got like 235s or 225. I think it's 235s. 19 by 9 in the front. Let's check actually. Oh, 245, 35 in the front. They fit in there pretty good. I mean, you don't gotta pull your fenders, just roll them a little bit. Tuck your harnesses, tuck your wire harness, man. My shit got chewed up. Not in this one, but my first SC, my shit got chewed up. I slammed the fuck out of it. That shit was coming all off the sides and shit. Every time I would hit the brake, my fucking horn would go off. I swear to God, I was at the stoplight, just like pressing the brake, and it was just like, man. So I had to let off the fucking brake and pull the e-brake up. Then I pulled over. I'm like, what the fuck? And another weird thing happened is I was driving and my fucking windshield wiper sprayers were spraying on the window. I'm like, what the fuck? So basically, if y'all don't know what that is, before you lower your SCs, the main harness is right here. So you have to, here, let me pop the hood, I'll show you guys. Because I feel like a lot of people don't know this. And they just go and lower the SCs and they find out the hard way to look it up. But let me put y'all on real quick. So hopefully y'all can still hear me, but basically you gotta pull it, you gotta go in the driver side under, pull the carpet back, unplug the harness. It's like 3-4 connectors. Go up under here, pull that shit through, pull it up and around and back down, basically. And then yeah, this is how I look right here. I got it all taped up, wired up. You don't gotta really pull it too hard, but you gotta pull it a little tighter. But yeah, that's one thing. I need to get a new fan shroud, fucking whatever the fuck that shit's called. I don't know, I feel like I should put an intake on this, bro. I don't know though. The 2J sound good with an intake on it? I would love to hear some intake noises as I'm sliding this thing. Oh yeah, speaking of sliding, POV, goddamn I can't talk. POV drift videos, man, will be back soon. I got a huge exhaust leak down here. I gotta fix just that gasket right there. I don't have a gasket, that's the problem. It's just tightened down and becoming loose. So I gotta put some lock stuff.